In this video, we will tell you about 10 steps to take your health to a totally different level, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Get up earlier. This may seem like it's not related to your health, but it really is. Getting up early makes you more alert, more energized, it can help to avoid overeating, and it can make you more positive too. If you're someone that always feels groggy and sluggish because you snooze and snooze and snooze in the mornings, then you have to change this. When you wake up early, you're giving your body the best chance to have a healthy start to the day. Number 2. Drink more water. This is something that you'll hear time and time again because it works. Our bodies are made up of water. We need it to function properly. A lot of the time you won't know that you're dehydrated, but you will be living with the symptoms of it. Instead, when you're drinking enough water and staying properly hydrated, you'll have more energy, your skin will be clearer, you'll have fewer cravings, and your digestion will be much better. Number 3. Exercise every day. From here, you're going to want to make sure that you're exercising every single day. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean go take an intensive class every day, unless you want to. But walking, cycling, doing home workouts, or whatever you want constitutes exercise for that day. So be sure to mix things up and get in at least 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity each day. Number 4. Laugh more. If you're someone that has been down a lot, or that tends to get stressed out more than anything else, you won't always know just how bad this is on your long-term health. You could be doing damage without even knowing it. So, you're going to want to commit to laughing more. Make sure that you're getting out and about with people, doing things, and enjoy yourself. It will work wonders for your health. Number 5. Sleep better. How do you sleep? If your sleep is always broken, you're only sleeping for a few hours, or you're sleeping for too long, it's going to harm your health levels overall. So take these healthy sleep tips and see what you can do to change things. When you start to sleep a lot better, you'll realize that it really transforms how you feel. Number 6. Let go of stress. As a step on from that, you'll want to make sure that you're letting go of any stresses that you're feeling in your life. If you know that you tend to get stressed out about one thing in particular, then walk away from it. Stress can be a killer, so you have to make sure that you stay away from it. Number 7. Maintain a healthy weight. How is your weight looking at the moment? If you know that you're overweight or underweight, then you should do something about it. And yes, this is for health reasons. You are free to be who you want to be, but if your weight affecting your health, then you need to take action. Focus on all of the points above, and point 8 below, to make sure that you stay within a healthy weight range. Number 8. Eat for fuel. From here, you're then going to want to think about the food choices that you're making. Whether you need to work on your weight or now, when you eat well, you'll be doing a lot for your health. So make sure that you start to eat for fuel. Think about what you should be eating in terms of whole grains, proteins, fruits, and vegetables, to keep your body as healthy as possible. Number 9. Heal yourself. If you've been suffering mentally, then you'll need to take action to heal yourself. It's important that you're able to focus on steps to improve this, such as with a Qigong healer, and be happier going forward. Your mental health really impacts your physical health, so take this seriously. Consider seeing a mental health professional help you cope and/or overcome whatever you are going through. Number 10. Embrace positivity. If there's one thing that you will find completely changes your life around, it's positivity. That may sound a little bizarre because it's not food or fitness related, but it really works. If you go through life with a negative outlook and you're constantly worried or stressed out, you'll be seriously harming your health. First mentally, but then you'll get physical signs. But when you're positive, life is great. You're much happier and more content, and this allows you to boost your health levels. So embrace positivity and see how much your health and happiness can change. Remember that your thoughts create your reality, so keep them positive. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing.